How to recover Telegram account. Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel. In this video I'm going to guide you on how you can recover your Telegram account, so make sure to watch the video till the very end. Now in order to basically recover your Telegram account, you open up Telegram over here. The first thing that Telegram asks you to do is to enter your phone number. So to recover your account, the first thing that you need is your phone number. I repeat, your phone number. If you don't have a phone number for which your Telegram account was used previously in the past, you can't log in to that account. That is simply not possible because Telegram cannot prove that you are the owner of the account, and if you cannot prove the ownership of your own account, Telegram can't give you the access because according to Telegram that account belongs to somebody else. So just make sure you have your phone number with you, and after that you can just try to go ahead and then log in. It doesn't matter what kind of account it was. It will give you a little type of pop-up that might say if your account was disabled, you might have the option to reactivate and so on, but without your phone number you can't do anything as I'm telling you. So enter the verification code and follow the on-screen instructions. So I hope this video helped you. If you have got any questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the very end of this tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.